Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. Actually, just moved a little bit closer to my camera because I feel like, again, this is an important topic. I want to make sure I'm up front, up close, and discussing with you guys how you can potentially secure your pair of the VERDY SB Dunk Lows. Now, I just want to say this is going to be a limited sneaker release. Don't go into this release with the expectation of getting it. It's not like a Jordan 4 release where we've had a little bit more stock in some of them recently. But again, you still got a shot, like decent chances, couple chances. So we'll get into all that and where you'll be able to find, where you your places where you'll be able to potentially cop the sneaker. We're going to run through all that in this video, sneakers release, etc. And we got a pretty dope review coming tomorrow on the channel. Don't want to shoot too much about the pair, but hey, there's a little quick little show review for those tomorrow, coming December 2024. I think we might be the first to do a review. I don't know. That doesn't really matter, but I hope you guys will enjoy that review we got tomorrow. It's going to be really dope. Some of y'all know what that pair is. But yeah, we'll just get into it from here. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to go ahead, subscribe and like down below. I was trying to 300 likes in this video. It's been the normal goal for like the last few, new one we made, so I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. It does mean a lot. I've been very busy these last few days. Hopefully I've been able to, respond to, some comments recently or more comments. I always try and get to them at night. It just recently, again, been busy with school, a few other things. Mainly the deals down below in Resale Vision. We've been doing a lot of those recently every single day. So if that's what you're into, getting under market pairs, giveaways. We just gave away a pair of Chameleon SBs. Recently gave away a pair of Bike Airs right before that, like literally a week before. So we did two pretty dope giveaways back to back. So make sure you guys don't miss out on stuff like that. We do every single day. And we'll probably be giving away a pair of the Verdys. So I mean, again, just get in there. Don't miss out. We got a lot coming, so hope to see you guys there. And you can also check me out on my IGs down below. Always buying, selling, trading. If anybody needs this SB, these right here, the light carbons, hit me up. Again, check out the review from a day or two ago. But if anybody needs this SB Dunk Low, feel free to hit me up. And any of the like Chameleon SB, stuff like that, just any pair, feel free to shoot me a DM. I'll get back to you and let you know if I got it. Also, we'll be posting stuff for sale on my story. But yeah, that's everything. A little bit of a longer intro. Hope to see you guys again in Resale Vision, or check me out on my Instas down below. And actually, let me move in my seat a little bit right here, because again, I'm going to start this screen recording up. So as you guys can see, it's going to appear in a second here, my bad. There we go. So screen recording should be up now. And as you guys can see, this is for the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro X VERDY. Now the real name for these is the Nike SB Dunk Low VERDY VISTY pair. That's really what it is, but I mean, you can see they're going with the blue gaze and enamel green. Hopefully I said that correctly. But one thing I know I'm reading right now is going to be, again, as you guys can see, draw open September 20th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So keep in mind, they're doing this via a draw. No shock, really. I mean, they're never going to do a pair like this via a Leo release where it's, just kind of within that first 1 to 3 minutes. You're never going to get that. It's going to be a draw. And actually with the grade school pairs, as you guys can see, these ones are not via a draw. So keep in mind, these ones actually are via Leo. I actually need to correct myself in Resale Vision the other day. Someone was asking me and I was like, I don't have the information fully yet. I'll confirm it. But if they're watching this video right here, right now, I just want to let them know, make sure you can see this right here. It does not say draw opens right here. As you can see, it says draw opens on the men's pair, but for the grades, or not the grade school, but the preschool and for the toddler one, it just says available at. And make sure you're entering for all sizes. All sizes of these are going to flip. All of them will be hard to get. I just thought I would let you guys know they're not going to do like a lot of pairs of these. And go look at any SB Dunk Low in toddler or preschool sizes recently that's been a collaboration that has had preschool and toddler sizes. All of them go for money. April SBs and preschool and toddler sizes, Powerpuff SBs and preschool and toddler sizes, like every single one flips. It's a no-brainer to go for them. But yeah, basically back to what I was saying. You're going to want to enter quickly for the grade school and the toddler one. Or not the grade school and toddler. I don't know why I keep saying that. The preschool and toddler ones. Enter quickly for those. Because keep in mind, you might want to even scroll down first and enter for those. Because the men's one's going to be a draw. You're going to have 10 minutes. So it's not really going to matter if you enter in the first minute or the last 10 minute. Or first minute or last minute. Again, no difference. But it will matter for, again, the preschool and toddler ones, since, again, those ones are going to be, not be a draw. They're going to have the winner selected, pretty much by like 10:04, 10:05. So you're really going to want to make sure you're in that one within the first 1 or 2 minutes. Really within the first minute, I would say. So get in those two ones quick. Honestly, I'm just going to be entering for boom, little kids, boom, toddlers, and then boom, I'll enter for the men's. It'll be simple like that. I'm not really going to stress too much about it. I might wait a little bit for the men's ones too. Maybe wait a couple minutes, see if that, increases my odds or anything. Because I always enter right at the start. And I'm like, maybe I'll wait a little bit in the draw, see if that helps my odds. But I don't really think that changes too much. Just there you go. They're the sizes they're doing. Men's, preschool, and some toddler ones. $75 retail on the toddler, $90 on the preschool, and $130 on the men's. Hitting these for retail would be nice. You know what I mean? Because obviously, the realistic expectation if you want this pair is you're not going to be getting it for retail. I'll actually show you all the resale prices right now. So as you guys can see, here are the current resale prices on these, between a range of about $430. Let's see if any lower than that. Or yeah, so about $430 to $1,000. The big sizes are going for, much higher. As you guys can see, as 11.5, no, 11.5 is not even sold yet at those prices. What is 12 sold at? dang, yeah, 12 has had some. I mean, 12, that's a baller size. You know what I mean? They just don't make many of them. Oh my gosh, size 13. Someone yesterday paid $1,100. I mean, these are about to release, bro. What are you doing? Yeah, I mean, that just shows you some people got crazy money. But, yeah, again, really cool pair. Going to be really hard to find in the big sizes. I mean, look, there aren't even some listed. I mean, that is how limited of a pair this is. There just is not many of them. Look at where the sales are averaging around between a range of, I mean, the lowest ones are like 400 flat. And that's like 8.5 and 9. Some of the more stock sizes. Lowest is like 400 flat, and the average, like the bigger sizes, those are going between 600 and 700 right now. So kind of falling in my resale prediction. I was saying the other day, I was like, you know what, this may go between 400 to 600. I corrected it, and I was like, maybe 350 to 500, because I'm seeing some of the smaller sizes go a little bit lower. But I mean, if they're chilling at these right now, I mean, we'll have to see how many get backdoored, or if they're just going to stay up here at these high prices. I mean, that could happen realistically, since it is one of the more popular collab SBs from this year. And they aren't like going crazy with the sales yet, but I mean, you can see, look, I mean, that's a lot of sales today. That's a lot of people going out the way and being like, you know what, I'm just going to get my pair now. So that is a little bit telling, in my opinion. That does let me know there is, well, obviously some backdoor going on, but it also lets me, shows me, hey, the market for these might not even be dropping much further if people are already going out the way and paying this much for them comfortably. Multiple people, because obviously it isn't just one guy buying all of them. I don't think that wouldn't be smart. You know what I mean? Someone may do it, but I heavily recommend against that. But yeah, again, I think the time to buy these, just wait like one more week, and then that'll be the time to buy, because like it's usually a few days before the release is the best time to buy SBs. Usually, unless it's like a GR pair or a pair that has more stock. Usually, if it's a limited release collaboration, best to buy it a couple days before the drop. So when people take the L's and they shoot up in price, you already got yours on the way. You don't even have to worry about canceled order or anything. You know what I mean? But with StockX, that's not always the case. I've had an order that's literally been at the verification center and then gotten canceled for no reason. So it's never 100%, and you got to get past FedEx and UPS. You never know if they're 100% legit. I mean, my ones that deliver regularly to my dad's, they're super, super legit. So I mean, it's not everyone. That's just, you don't want to generalize. But yeah, resale is high, shocker, and I'm sticking on that resale prediction. We're probably around 350, 500 lowest. We could see some of the smaller sizes go a little bit under 350. Some of the big sizes staying a little bit above 500. Would not, again, like if 11.5, 12, 13, if those stay at 800, 900, 700 bucks, or close to 1,000, would not shock me, just because, like, those are going to be hard to get at your local shop. And like most skate shops, my skate shop has been doing first come first serve a lot recently. I know damn well they're not doing these via first come first serve. I wish they were, but I know for there is zero, and I'm talking zero shop, they do these via first come first serve, which I understand. You know what I mean? There's probably be some fights and stuff like that. It's just really not worth the trouble. So aside from that, I understand the cop date approach on that. For Charlotte, Charlotte is never. Gotta be careful, man. You know what I mean? Charlotte be crazy sometimes. But yeah, let me end that screen recording real quick. But I'm not done. There's a couple more things I wanted to discuss. I just wanted to end the screen recording because there's not really too much more I got to look at on my phone right there, so I don't want to get distracted. But here's some raffle locations. I'm going to pop them up on the screen. As you guys can see, rafflesneakers.com. This is a place where you guys can just, get a bunch of free raffle links. They drop them every single week. They miss some, but I mean, like, majority of them are here. So if you want to do that, feel free. And in Resale Vision, actually, tonight, I'm going to be adding, like, a members raffle links channel. So if members want to, like, share raffle links or anything like that with each other. We're mainly a sourcing group, so, like, we don't, like, do release info, stuff like that. But members are always posting raffle links. So, like, I'm going to add a channel where people can share the raffle links with each other, because that's a good idea. I think someone just suggested that, so I was like, let's definitely do that. So I'll be getting to that tonight, excuse me. But that's off topic. Check out those raffles. That'll be in the pinned comment down below. Do not miss out on that. And also NikeSB.com/shops. I mean, the place, the main location, skate shops. That's, that's who's, getting majority of the pairs here, because I doubt sneakers is going to have a lot, but skate shops will probably get most of them. If you're counting all of the skate shops around the world, I'm not talking just the ones in the U.S. The ones in the U.S. are not going to get enough stock, compared to sneakers. I think sneakers will probably have more stock than U.S. skate shops, but if you, do global skate shops, I feel like there'll probably be a little bit more than they'll probably do on sneakers in the USA. But, I could be wrong. If they do like 50K, then that's, going to be way more than they've sent to skate shops around the world. But, I don't think they're going to do 50,000 pairs of these on sneakers. I really doubt that. I would love that, because, these would still go for money even with that. But, yeah, that's not going to be... that ain't happening. I'm personally predicting 10 to 20,000 pairs in that range. Just thought I would let you guys know. I do not have exact numbers yet, but that's what I'm going to leave it at. And for my channel members, I will be dropping the numbers for these. As you guys notice, I've been doing it for the the hype drops recently. You know what I mean? So hey, don't sleep. We've been doing it mainly just for the hype drops, not for like the ones like kind of small and in between ones, but like for hype stuff like the Verdies, I'll definitely be doing the stock numbers for those guys, so don't miss out. But yeah, that's really all I need to say. I've told you all the raffle locations, told you where to find your local skate shop. Just go to NikeSB.com/shops, type in your zip code. It'll show you skate shops near you and if they're going to be getting this pair. It won't say on the site, but if it just says it's a Nike SB shop, they will most likely be getting them. And if they're an orange label shop, they're definitely getting them. So it'll let you know that on the site. So that's everything I really need to say there. About the Verdy SBs coming up, my resale prediction, how you guys can potentially cop them, like all the drop locations they're going to be doing. And honestly, the best way to cop the sneaker is staying on top of the release. That means entering in every possible location. So going to Raffle Sneakers, entering in all the raffles you can. Going to, obviously on sneakers, making sure you enter maybe for a size that, we wouldn't enter for as frequently, or one of the more stock sizes. So, that's usually something that would increase your odds. But you could also just, if you normally have a size you target on your account and you normally hit that size, like let's say you're a size 11 and you normally hit on size 11 releases, I would just go for, go for size 11 on this one, maybe make another account, go for a different size, something like that. Or have a family member, do that instead, because that'll be easier. But yeah, that's what I can say about the Verdies, how you guys can potentially cop them. And yeah, just staying on top of the release is the way to cop it. Entering in all the raffles, checking with your local skate shop. Making sure sneakers you don't just enter with one account, have a couple, have some family members, some friends enter for you, and yeah, that's really the way to get this shoe. I mean, I feel like that's at least the way that increase your odds. It's gonna be very hard, but hey, down below in Resale Vision, don't forget to check us out there. We're gonna be giving away a pair. We're probably gonna be doing undermarket. We will try 100% to do some undermarket pairs of these. I'm just waiting for the market to settle, and then I'll definitely get some to run in deals for members. Because keep in mind, that's what we do. We source undermarket pairs for you guys. So basically, you get the pairs at under resale market price, and then you can go sell them for regular price, and you can actually make some good money there. Meant to say price, excuse me, but check us out down below. See everything there. Recent giveaways, giveaway pair of Chameleon, SBs, Bike Airs, and we'll be giving away a pair of these Verdies. So, I mean, if you want a chance to win, don't miss out there. And you can check me out my IGs below. Always buying, selling, trading. Yeah, just if you need any kicks, need the light carbons I showed you all at the start, just let me know. And feel free to subscribe and like for more. I was trying to hit 300 on this video, but this has been a lot here, bro. I'm not gonna edit in this later. How long is this? 14 minutes. There's been some pauses and breaks in between, but yeah, I still got a lot of work to do today, so I'm gonna stop talking because I know me later is not gonna like editing a 15-minute video after all the work I've done today. So thank you guys. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one or in Resale Vision below, and let me know your thoughts on the Verdies below. Do you like them? Do you not? Either's cool. I'll see y'all tomorrow though. Peace.